Let's take a look at the Shellac by Action Park. If we zoom in here, as you can see, a little bit holographic, but it's got this cardboard kind of feel all the way around the actual CD on the outside. It feels very cardboardy, like a box. And when it opens, it actually opens this direction. So that's kind of an interesting way to do it. As you can see, it's got some of the locations, staff, personnel, Shellac of North America, Shellac at Action Park, uh, some of the names of the songs, just a little bit of extra information, and some pictures of some holographic microphones, which is very fun. If we open it up here, as we can see, we got the actual CD itself, which is quite nice, normal CD. And we got this little, it looks like a map. If I can open it up here. So the back looks like it has some information and a little map, which kind of looks like a Where's Waldo map. Very fun. I think they did a very good job with this. If you're looking for the Shellac at Action Park CD, I'd totally recommend it. I think you'll like the way it looks.